finishing touches on this match. Oh my God!
Cena delivering an from out of nowhere. Cena delivering an and his name is John Cena.
Someone get FEMA on the phone. I think we're going to qualify after this disaster. Unbelievable resurrection for The Undertaker. Sunday, every man for himself.
Oh, KO! Goodness!
His name is John Cena. Is he going to deliver sweet? Oh, the Claymore attack from out of nowhere.
Targeting the monster!
Spear!
Oh, God!
Is he going to deliver sweet? Oh, the Claymore attack from out of nowhere. Cena delivering an the just registered him.
Oh! Oh! Targeting the monster!
Spear!
Oh,